Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to do an unboxing of the Champion open frame inverter generator, and this one is the 9,000 watt starting, 7,250 watt running. And one thing that I really like about this one is that it has the tri-fuel option, so you can run it with gasoline, with natural gas, or with propane. All right, so let's start with the unboxing. First of all, it is pretty heavy. Okay, that's something, you know, it makes sense, but I wish I realized that a little sooner, because it's not something that you can just, you know, pull on your own. So you just have to know that you're going to need help with this generator. Comes with this box on the side, which is also heavy. Okay, so accessories, what's in this? Wheels, so 2 wheels. Now I just noticed that these are actually kind of like hard plastic, which is better in my opinion, because my old generator had like regular little tires, and of course you don't use them for a little while, and when you need to use it, well, they're flat and they don't roll anywhere. So this is much better because you won't have that issue, no flat tires here, so that's definitely a plus. We have those 2 little cap covers that will go on the wheels. This is the hardware for the wheels. Okay, metal bracket. This is going to be to attach the handles. And it comes with a funnel, more than likely for the oil. That's a great plus. It does come with oil already. The perfect oil for your generator, 10W30. This is for your propane. And this one is going to be for your natural gas. Very good. Okay, so that's pretty much it in the accessory box. Now, if you notice, when you got the generator, it had this blue label on it, and it says remove shipping support hardware. So they added something to, you know, make it more stable during shipping. It must be removed before adding gasoline or oil to your generator, and you can see that's the little orange parts underneath. So don't forget to remove that. And this is what they're talking about. You see those orange little pieces? We have to remove 1, 2, I see 3 of them. And I'm going to be using a 10mm wrench. There you go. And we're going to do that for the other 2. Do not forget to do this. Let's see what comes in this bag. This is going to be for your wheels. And these 2, the shorter ones, are going to be for the rubber feet, which is going to go right there. And we're going to use the same 10mm wrench to tighten that up. Now for the wheels, we're going to take this piece, of course the wheel, with this one, slide it in there, and then we're going to push that in the hole that is right there. There we go. And once we find the clip area, right there, put it on top. Let me zoom in. We're just gonna insert the clip. Done. Now all you need to do is add those little cap covers, and they will clip right onto the wheel. And done. And now we're just going to attach the handle so we can move it easily. So you're going to take this bracket and the 4 bolts that came with it, and we're going to attach this to the frame. And notice that those bolts are smaller, and this actually requires a size 8mm wrench. Next, we're going to take the handle along with this smaller clip and this piece right here, this way. So you want this flat part here, see there's a little flat part, to go against the rubber bump here, the rubber bumper. And then we're going to use this pin. There you go. So that's going to make moving it a lot faster, a lot easier between the wheels and the handle. Should be much better. On the side where it says tri-fuel on top, right under there, you can see these two connectors, that's to connect the battery. That's the next step. So we're gonna take out the little, little caps, and we are going to connect them. There you go. Simple. And now, this is where you want to add the oil. So we're gonna remove this little yellow dipstick. So it came with the right amount. We're gonna put 1.1 liter of 10W30. Do not start your generator before adding the oil. It also came with the funnel, which made it pretty convenient. So take your time and slowly but surely add the oil. So little by little. And that's pretty much it. You're ready to go. You're ready to use your generator. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.